As we are seeing, the importance of cybersecurity word is gaining a lot of popularity, as from giant organization to small medium business to individual with gadgets, everyone is connected digitally. And even listening to the news and hearing about latest cybersecurity breaches and attacks. As the whole world is growing digitally, and so the associated risk of cybersecurity or the related data, the threat landscape is just evolving so rapidly, and it's changing constantly, right? So I'm really excited today to talk about the latest cybersecurity trends and challenges the world is facing at the moment, and also some best practices to adopt. Hi, I'm Pooja Shimpi, and I'm based in Singapore, and I call myself as a passionate information and cybersecurity enthusiast. I have 14 years of experience and with reputed international banks. I have expertise in driving various initiatives across multiple information security domains and technology governance and risk space. So I hope you will enjoy this session. So let's take a look of the top 10 or top trending cybersecurity challenges. So let's look at the first slide, the top challenges of cybersecurity or the growing cybersecurity trends. The number one is definitely ransomware attack, because the entire world is talking about ransomware. Even the person who is not related to cybersecurity is curious to know what is ransomware. So this attack infect your network and hold your data and computer system hostage until a ransom is paid. So the ransomware attack has literally tripled in last 2 to 3 years, and the biggest surge in ransomware attacks has been seen last year in 2021 with the incidents like the Colonial Pipeline ransomware attacks, the JBS ransomware attacks, or the KSAR ransomware attacks, and the list goes on. So the immediate losses from the ransom are only the tip of the iceberg. The monetary and the reputational damages from lost productivity and data loss are often the most destructive to the business. So attacks like this are why 60% of small businesses go out of the business within 6 months of cyber breach. So definitely ransomware is going to remain as a top cyber attacks, and it's gaining